Dear all, welcome back to EduVox. In this session, we are going to discuss about space syntax analysis. Before that, I would like to thank all our subscribers for reaching 1500 plus subscribes and 75,000 views within a short span. And now we move on to our session on space syntax analysis. How to describe space and how to analyze urban fabric according to objective way, and how to predict movement and usage from a spatial structure, how to evaluate the design of an area, and how to measure the connection of spaces, and how to investigate society-space relationship. These questions will be tackled by extending a coherent family of ideas and analytical techniques called space syntax. Getting started in DepthMapX. DepthMapX is a single software platform to perform a set of space syntax analysis. You can start downloading DepthMapX from the space syntax GitHub websites. The website link is given in the description box. You can download DepthMapX version 0.8, and the basic general instruction is given for the DepthMapX version 0.8. And in the given link, you can find Linux, Mac OS, Windows 32 and Windows 64-bit. Based on your system requirement, you can download the software. So now, after downloading, you can also check for the tutorials available for version 0.8 for the DepthMapX. So in that, you will see all different types of graph analysis. Extract the downloaded zip file, and in that zip file you will find DepthMapX icon. So you can directly open that, and you can see file, edit menus and maps. Maps, you can see the exports and attribute columns, and tools, you can see the visibility and the agent tools and the run graph analysis. So first you select new, and using map tool you import the required DXF file of your neighborhood or your study area, and convert those maps into an axial map. So first you have to convert the map into an axial map. So after the map is converted into axial, you can see two things in the attributes list. The one is connectivity, the other one is line length. The connectivity shows how well it is connected, how the streets are interconnected, and the line length gives you the length of the streets. Under the windows in a table, you can find that each street references its connectivity numbers and its line length is given in that table. If you want, you can export those tables for your references. You can see number of lines seen. There are so many axial lines you can see. You can change those lines into a fewer lines if you want. That can be done in axial, reduced to fewer lines. So now you can see only few lines than that complex one. And now you have to run the graph analysis. So under the run graph analysis, the radius n represents the global integration and the 3 represents the local integration. So after this has been run, you get the additional attributes of integration, mean depth, intensity, node counts, so on. By selecting each attributes, you can see the differences in the map. And going through window and generate the table, you get all necessary details like the connectivity, line length, entropy, integration values and the mean depth values and so on. You can download these data for your research purpose. And you can use the scatter plot option also. Anytime during your process, you can check or uncheck the options available at the left side corner. Space syntax map graph analysis. Here I will show you a few examples, and this one study area of pilot study area, and this map shows the connectivity analysis, and this one is about the integration. You can very well see the differences between the connectivity and the integration. And integration R3 is used in investigating pedestrian movement, and it has been found out that a pedestrian movement in most predictable pedestrian trips is on average limited to 3 levels. So while giving integration value, we have to give either n, 3 or n, 10. And this shows you the line length and mean depth. So you can very well see the differences between the line length and mean depth. And this one shows the node count R3, and from the attribute summary you get all the details like the connectivity minimum and maximum and the average, as well the integration values, line length, mean depth R3, node count, as well the node count R3. So with the help of these measurements we can do our analysis of our neighborhood. So the global integration value as well the local integration values can be used. And the main key variables used in space syntax analysis are like the connectivity, the number of spaces and the streets connected directly to the space, and it talks about the line density based on the number of axial lines, and it talks about the line length, the average length of the axial line, and the global integration n value, the relationship between every space to every other space in a system, and it talks about the local integration. It can be 3 or 5, R3 or R5, the relation between every space to every other space in a system which is within a specific step depth away. And synergy is a correlation between the global integration and the local integration. And about the intelligibility, it is a correlation between global integration and connectivity. An angle of incidence, the angle between two overlapping axial lines, and pattern of integration core, it is a descriptive geometric pattern. The basic formulas and definitions listed below are fundamental for understanding the method and further developed and extended. There are 4 syntactic measures that can be calculated: the connectivity, depth, control value, local and the global integration. The synergy value, it is simply the correlation between local radius and the global integration. The relationship between local integration R3 and the global integration Rn is called synergy. And intelligibility, it stands for the relationship between global and local integration. It is a synonym of legibility. The degree of intelligibility can be read by using scattergraph that shows the relationship between global integration and connectivity. And depth, it is in contrast with the integration value, as high integrated line means the low depth and vice versa. Control value, it is the degree of choice that each space represents for its immediate neighbor as a pace to move on. Intelligibility, it is a key property of the spatial structure of the town. It is an indicator of the quality of an environment as being easily navigable. The pattern seems intelligible when seen from above, the figure A, and figure B, the map of Apt in south of France, seems unintelligible. So the relationship between connectivity of space and its global integration is all about the intelligibility. And synergy value, synergy is simply the correlation between local radius 3 and global integration. It is a different kind of intelligibility in so much as it is about the relationship between the local and global structure. And radius 3 is not as a local as connectivity, but it is the best correlate. And key variables as we discussed: connectivity, line density, line length, global integration, local integration, synergy and intelligibility.